BRP Sierra Madre balak tanggalin ng China sa Ayungin Shoal. May tugboat kasi ang China na umaaligid dyan. At kinumpirma na rin ni Philippine Navy spokesperson Trinidad na mayroon nga. Pero hindi natatakot o nababahala man lang iipi dyan. Bakit? Kung hahatakin kasi nila ang BRP Sierra Madre, dadaan muna sila sa mga sundalong Pilipino. At malaking kulo yan. Kaya tingin ng Philippine Navy, hindi para sa BRP Sierra Madre ang tugboat, kundi para sa sariling barko ng China ng mga nasisira. Alam nyo na mga made in China, mga low quality ang gawa. Wala naman daw dapat tayong ikaalarma.
The monitoring by the Philippine Navy and the AFP for the past days have noted the presence of a tugboat only yesterday. While this is not a cause for alarm, it is not also a reason for us to be prepared for them to tow away BRP Sierra Madre. It will take more than a tugboat to pull out BRP Sierra Madre. It is our assessment is that it is more for their own use in the event that they would need a tugboat to pull out any of the ships that would run aground in the shallow portion of Ayungin Shoal.
Pero kung hahatakin talaga yan ng China, red line daw yan. Pag sinabi kasing red line, all out war o malakihang gulo. Hindi naman siguro gugustuhin ng China manghimasok ang US sa digmaan. Posible kasing i-invoke ng Pilipinas ang Mutual Defense Treaty pag nangyari ang paghatak. At hindi gugustuhin ng China ang kalabanin si President Donald Trump sa giyera. Hindi kayo sasantuhin yan. Baka magulat na lang ang China may lumilipad ng B-2 bomber sa himpapawid nila.
Any death of a Pinoy due to the coercive and aggressive actions of the CCG, the PLA Navy, and the Chinese Maritime Militia is a red line for the armed forces of the Philippines. The Commander-in-Chief mentioned that the death of a Filipino will be grounds for invoking the MDT. This was amplified by the Chief of Staff of the AFP. This is now a red line.
Laging sinasabi ng Philippine Navy, magkakabarilan dyan pag nangyaring hinatak yan. For sure may resback agad na darating from US Air Force o Philippine Navy warship ang ide-deploy agad. Alam na daw ng mga sundalong Pilipino sa BRP Sierra Madre ang gagawin nila.
Firmly anchored yung BRP Sierra Madre. There are already rules of engagements and contingency plans in place for any eventuality. Kasama doon yung mga ganong gagawin ng kabilang side.
Tinanggal na o winasak naman ng Philippine Navy ang kinabit na fishing net ng China. Sa gabal kasi yan pag nag-rotation e resupply mission. Dito nanindigan din ang Philippine Navy na kahit may presensya ang China, hindi yan makaka-apekto sa RORE mission. Magpapatuloy daw ang resupply at paggawa sa BRP Sierra Madre.
The rotation and reprovisioning of our forces is a moral obligation of the leadership of the armed forces. Regardless of any threat, any coercive or aggressive action, it will be conducted. We owe it to the men and women in the front lines to provide them with the appropriate support that they need, especially food and other important supplies.
Kayo, sa tingin nyo kaya bang ito ng China ang BRP Sierra Madre? O panibagong pananakot lang yan? Ikomento sa baba ang inyong salubin.